we are going to use Bookings with Me in Outlook. First, you're going to the left-hand side to your apps, find Bookings. You can pin this by double or right-clicking and choosing Pin, so that way it will always be on your toolbar. Go to My Bookings page. Here, you're going to create a new section for a booking. So press the plus sign. Make sure you put your title in. This could be for a specific team group that you're working with. You can add a description if you'd like. You can turn on the location or turn it off if there's a specific location that you're going to meet. And then make sure it's public. You can then choose your regular meeting hours or custom availability if you have like office hours or a set time frame where you're going to be taking appointments, and then choosing the time frame of each booking. Go to advanced settings to build in a buffer time. Let's say you have to travel between meetings. You could set up buffers between the before or how many minutes before a meeting or after. So that way they will be set for you and they can't overlap. And then also how quickly someone can book with you versus how far out. Press save. Now we are going to put this in our email signature. So go to share and choose email signature. Find the one you want to add it to, and then you press the button that says include a link to my bookings page in my signature. Make sure you save that. Now, one other place you might want to check for your email signature is go to back to your email, go to the settings, the gear icon, compose and reply, and then make sure that it is in there for you and that's checked in that box as well, and press save. Now, when you go to send an email, you will see that your book time to meet with me is there. I have two because I have two different ones set up.